Hi students, today I am going to teach about amines. In last class whatever I taught, that continuation, okay. What I taught in last class means what are amines and types and IUPAC name and common name. So today I am going to teach about preparations, okay. So let me start writing. First heading amines, okay. So in that first one, preparations. Okay, preparations, okay, preparations of amines. So in that total 6 methods are there. So first one I am going to teach about, okay, nitro compounds. We know that from nitro compounds means first nitro means NO2 group will be there, it will be reduction by if you nitro group, it is reduced by hydrogens and it will become the amine. Okay, so first one nitrobenzene. Okay, so nitrobenzene, I am writing in words nitrobenzene. Okay, nitrobenzene is okay treated with and is passing through the hydrogen gas and one more thing, nickel or palladium or platinum we can use the presence of ethanol. So you will get this nitro group will become amine group. So it means NH2 group. So this is called the aniline. Okay, have you seen students? First nitrobenzene have you taken? You pass it through the hydrogen gas and in the presence of catalytic reduction, nickel or palladium or platinum. So then this NO2 group becomes NH2. So second one, this is from nitro. Next, second one, ammonolysis, from ammonolysis. This is from ammonolysis. From ammonolysis. First, what is ammonolysis means? The cleavage of CX. So this is halide. Okay, by ammonia. So what is telling the cleavage of CX bond by ammonia. So first to take ammonia NH3 treated with RX. Okay, then this lone pair will goes on alkyl group, then this bond migrated this side. So what you will get are NH3X. Okay, NH3 loss electrons, so plus here this bond migrated to this side, so negative charge. So if you see here bond cleavage, first to take primary amine and treated with alkyl halide. Okay, primary amine. Okay, primary amine treated with alkyl halide. Okay, if you see here halide always minus, in this hydrogen is there, so minus HX is eliminated. So what will be there here? So R N. Okay, one H gone, so remaining H and R. Okay, I can write this one like this, R to NH. Okay, this is primary amine, this is secondary. Next step, if you see same RX, if you add, then it will become R3N. This is tertiary. Next, if you take one more alkyl halide, then it will become R4N. Okay, this is quaternary ammonium salt we will call. Okay, quaternary ammonium salts. Okay, then again if you want to treat this quaternary ammonium treated with NaOH, okay, then you will get primary amine. Okay, so till here also you can end. If you want primary amine, you have to get means you can use NaOH. Okay, this is the two preparation methods of amines. So first one is from nitro group. So second one is from ammonolysis. So NO2 group become the NH2, and here if you see quaternary ammonium salts we got in second preparation ammonolysis. Okay, so next one is third one. So from nitriles, okay, from nitriles. So nitriles means we know that is Cl. Okay, so you take any nitrile group RCN. Okay, then it is treated with LiAlH4. We know that this name is lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, or you can use nickel H2 or nickel. Okay, or sodium amalgam and ethanol. Okay, ethanol. Then you will get primary amine RCH2 and NH2. This is primary amine. Okay, from nitrile group. So from nitrile group we use LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, or catalytic reduction H2Ni, or sodium amalgam and ethanol. We got primary amine. How means, if you break first bond, this side one H, this side one H, this carbon side one H, and nitrogen side one H, and down one more bond I am breaking, this side one H and this side one H, you will get RCH2 NH2. This is primary amine. So next one, fourth preparation from amide. Okay, amide means what we can tell, RC double bond ON is called as the amide. Okay, amide group is treated with, okay, same thing, LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, and the hydrolysis you will get same thing, RCH2 NH2. That is nothing but primary amine. Okay students, so if you see from amide also we can prepare. Amide we have to take, and same before what we used reagent LiAlH4, that is nothing but lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, and that hydrolysis you will get primary amine RCH2 NH2. Okay students, next fifth one, if you see from Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent. Okay, Grignard reagent. So what is Grignard reagent students? We know that RMGX is the Grignard reagent. Okay, RMGX. So Grignard reagent is treated with chloroamine. Okay, chloroamine. Then in the presence of ether, okay, Cl and MgX, it will eliminate as a RMgX. Okay, then MgX and Cl, sorry, here Cl. Then what is remaining? This R and NH2. So that is primary amine. Okay. Okay students, so what we have seen from first one, we have brought from nitro compounds. Second one, what we have done, second one, so that is nitrile. Next third one, okay, second one is from ammonolysis, third one is from nitriles, next fourth one is from amide, and fifth one is reagent. Which reagent? So Grignard reagent. If you see last one, okay students, this is last preparation and easy preparation and very important preparation. So, and one more Gabriel Thalamide is there. In previous my class we can you can see. So in that Gabriel Thalamide preparation also one of the primary amine preparation. Okay, that one I have taught in before classes. Okay students, you can check by that. So last one, from Hoffman bromide. Hoffman bromide. Hoffman bromide degradable reaction. So what is Hoffman bromide reaction means? So you take first primary amine, okay, not primary amine, you take one first amide, okay. Amide is treated with bromine plus aqueous NaOH, okay. Then you will get, this one will eliminate, so primary amine RNH2, okay. Next you will get 4 NaOH is there in that, Na2CO3 and 2 more NAs, 2 Na, this Br will form plus 2H2O. So this is very important. Hoffman bromide is very important. So what he has taken, amide he has taken, treated with bromine and aqueous NaOH. Okay, it got primary amide. So just in amide group CO he eliminated. So remaining whatever is there primary amide it came out, and whatever CO is there and in this Na is there. So Na2CO3. Remaining 2 moles Na is there, Na2NaBr, and whatever hydrogens 4 are there, 2H2O. Okay students, these all are the preparations of amines. Okay, okay students, thank you.